So I was just thinking for the concentrated solutions and our science project that it would probably be better if there was some form of an artificial environment or confinement similar to that of a planet which is round. And it could be a half dome, and instead of it being flat, it could have a 45-degree angle, and the center of it can have the solution to allow that solution to humidify in the air or in that enclosure, and it'll act like rain on Earth as it travels down the valleys back into the ocean to the lowest point or lowest points, right? So in this situation, in this case, it will be the lowest point of that confinement. So all the way around the circumference, the radius of it will be the high point, and then the center will be the lowest. That way, there will be a natural climate, like kind of like Earth. There's the ocean, there's the shoreline, and then there's deep into the inland, and it gets super dry, right? So something like that. That way, they could have like the most natural environment setting possible. But right now, I just have it inside of the vial, and it's 50% water and 100% dirt within the cylinder, and it's approximately 30 to 20% of that cylinder. That covers the dirt. So because it's pretty much like having an aquarium with live plants and stuff like that. So it'll be something like that where something natural will grow with the introduction of dirt and water. So to monitor if another type of solution will create some form of growth and react to the dirt. Well, that's the whole experiment with this. So we can know if there's more or life out in space, especially if some of the planets, the planetary systems have been evaluated and studied, and the type of solutions that it might have, basically presenting that in the experiment to see and monitor how and what, if anything, the solutions will react with the dirt and how the dirt will react to the solution. And if it does, monitoring the growth systems or objects within that confinement. And then doing further research from there. But yeah, I just wanted to get that artificial setup as close as possible to the environment that we're confined in as humans, and doing that with these solutions with the dirt, so we can get as close as possible without wasting our time and efforts in these studies.